Dear learners, let's try to understand the common terminology, disorder, disability, and handicap with respect to working with children with special needs. Let us first try to understand working with children with special needs. Exceptional children, special needs children, is a term used in education and psychology to refer to children who deviate from the norm, either above or below, in physical, cognitive, emotional, or behavioral characteristics. Working with children with special needs requires a deep understanding of their unique challenges, strengths, and individualized support requirements. Individualized education plans, IEPs. Differentiated instruction. Assistive technology. Sensory support. Positive behavior support. Collaboration with families and professionals. Inclusive practices. What are common terminology, disorder, disability, and handicap? The most commonly cited definitions are those provided by the World Health Organization, 1980, in the International Classification of Disorder Impairments, Disabilities, and Handicaps. Disorder impairment, any loss or abnormality of psychological, physiological, or anatomical structure or function. It refers to a problem with a structure or organ of the body. Disability, any restriction or lack resulting from an impairment of ability to perform an activity in the manner or within the range considered normal for a human being. It is a functional limitation with regard to a particular activity. Handicap, a disadvantage for a given individual that limits or prevents the fulfillment of a role that is normal. It refers to an environmental factor preventing the filling of a normal life role. 1. Disorder. A disorder refers to a deviation or disruption from the normal functioning of a body or mind. It often implies a medical or psychological condition that affects an individual's physical, mental, emotional, or behavioral well-being. Disorders can be congenital, present at birth, or acquired later in life. In education, disorders often manifest as conditions that impact a student's ability to learn, interact, or participate in academic activities. Examples of disorders in exceptional children may include physical disorders, mental disorders, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, autism spectrum disorder, ASD, cerebral palsy. 2. Disability refers to the functional limitation that interferes with a person's ability to perform certain tasks or activities. It is often a consequence of a disorder but can also result from lack of accommodations. Disabilities can affect various aspects of a child's life, including mobility, communication, cognition, and sensory processing. Examples of disabilities in exceptional children may include mobility disability, sensory disability, cognitive disability, speech and language disability. Disabilities can significantly impact a child's access to education and require specialized support and accommodations to facilitate their learning and participation in school activities. 3. Handicap refers to the disadvantage or limitation imposed on an individual due to environmental, social, or attitudinal barriers. Unlike disability, which is intrinsic to the individual, handicap is often the result of external factors that hinder the individual's ability to fully participate in society. Examples of handicaps in exceptional children may include inaccessible learning environments, example, lack of ramps for wheelchair users. Negative attitudes and stereotypes towards individuals with disabilities. Limited access to assistive technologies or support services. Discriminatory practices in education and employment. Handicaps can exacerbate the challenges faced by children with disabilities, making it difficult for them to realize their full potential and engage in educational opportunities on an equal basis with their peers. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.